If you want to record sounds on POCO M8 Pro, first of all we just have to open the app drawer and then look for the recorder app. This app allows you to of course create voice memos and record yourself. So we're gonna use this button at the bottom of the screen, grant all necessary permissions, there we go, and now you can start recording yourself. So besides that, we can also use this mark option, so you can create marks or bookmarks while recording, and then later on, once you go back to the recording, you should be able to find them quite easily. We can of course pause the recording temporarily, and then we can return recording whenever you like. And of course, if you want to completely stop recording, just use the button here in the middle of the screen. There we go, we have our recording in here, so we can tap on it in order to play it. We can also see our bookmarks. We can see these dots on the timeline, and we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner in order to, for example, open the list of marks. You can also rename the recording or delete it. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.